Yellow?
Yellow? Yo, hold up the plate.
No,
What's
the yellow?
That's what's about me.
What gender is that? What gender is yellow?
Yeah, what is yellow?
Babe, I practice.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here with another vlog. So today is Lovell's gender reveal, right? And we're gonna leave out now. So go for the cake, and then we're gonna go straight down. We're gonna start decorating because it's pretty early. Well, not really early, but the gender reveal will start like 3 o'clock, so I have time for like decorate and stuff like that. Plus I have Kadisha can go and blow the balloon them. Alright guys, so we just collect the cake and Kadisha the run in front to hold it, and then the cupcake them the writers are with me. I'm gonna put her Instagram link in my description box, and I'm also gonna pin it in my comment section, and I'm gonna put it right here on the screen. The cake is beautiful, and them not only pretty, you know, them taste real good. Me can testify because I bought Jason's birthday cake from her, and she made my birthday cake, and now she make Lovell gender reveal cake, and it's on her. How about that, guys? Go over there and support her. Go over there, go follow her Instagram page. When you have a look at birthday and a look at this and a look at that, go over there and get in the cake because it's not only pretty, but it tastes super good. So now we're heading to Clarendon, right? To start decorating and stuff. I have to go call mommy, Jason's mommy that is, and tell her to make space in the fridge so the cake can just sit in there until you know what time. I want to stop at LOL in Halfway Tree because I want to get some blue candy and some pink candy. Me extra bad, but I want to look up, babe.
Sorry, boy.
But I want to look at color candy, okay, and not only that, I need a cupcake stand. Alright guys, so I reach, and the great Luci there, man, yeah. Sharp, you know, man. Yeah. Cause today I'm gonna know, yeah, man. Yeah. Guys, but never did want them for the road me with the whole decorating, but since it's pink and blue, then can more than help me blow a balloon. Cause me need the help. Come and be my glue, man. I'm sorry. Alright guys, so we're gonna get to work now. Guys, we are going down. Talk truth. Luci there, Luci blowing at them 3 times and I hit that wee balloon. Full. But guys, I have enough balloon because what I didn't want to happen was we come and want some things and have them or have mismatch. So with this pack, I bought it as a kit, right? Come with everything. So I'm gonna take out the purple, take out the gold. You can do for one next event because I don't need a purple, I don't need a gold because the team is silver. So Luci have the silver, confetti, the metallic, and the white. I'm going to deal with. guys, so we made this just now, and I know the easiest thing to make, I promise you, but so may I use up Luci because Luci is very tall. Alright guys, so I'm super tired. Just finished decorate. Watch out, breeze a blow down my nice stuff them. Showing a look at decoration. I'm a deal with it. I don't know when I know big bad. What that person that call Kalish? Yeah, I don't know when a professional. So we do a little thing and the place looks super nice. We're having a big problem because guess what? I bought everything thinking that it would have worked out, but the glue, the tape, the everything not working, not sticking on the wall because of the texture wall is very rough and not just not stick. So every time I sit down thinking I'm gonna have peace of mind, me hear something just fall down like this thing, the shiny thing. I'm not sure if you can see it. No, it looked like an arch. It wasn't an arch, it was straight across. It kind of like drop until that reached down. Luci tried to like tack it up there, so but now it's old, but you know it not that strong. But everything is cute and nice.
Action.
Behind the scene.
What me don't come out, Luci? You know, what you walk with man? I race.
Y'all so cute, my baby.
Alright, come back. So it'll be a thing when I say action on about the stuff. Clinch hand, yeah? So release the hand them. Record before I say action. Rolling, action.
Aww.
Alright, here we go.
Guess what I did? One of the most important stuff of the day. If we don't have them here, the whole thing spoiled. So I'm gonna keep it underneath my arm. Alright? So Lovell and Luci, how you guys feeling?
I'm feeling excited and nervous.
What about you, Luci?
Yeah.
I'm not nervous.
Luci never nervous. What do you think about the whole decoration?
The decoration is so tremendous, I'm gonna tell you. It's so pretty.
And you look very beautiful. You guys
Thank
look
you.
so good together.
Thank you.
So now we're gonna go for the cake, guys. Don't worry, ask for where cake there. The cake there. Just not want
You
it
look like
melt.
me? No, Adisha, don't.
He looks so good. And look, make her cry. The big moment soon come, but we're gonna reveal the gender. Lovell, final question: what you want?
Boy.
Luci, what you want?
You want to dance in the question?
Luci, yes, not a team girl. Don't switch team.
You know what?
Wait.
Yeah.
Do you know what this means? Blue.
Hey,
Even though this color blue is different, what does that mean?
team boy. Okay.
Team boy.
Confidence.
I'm sit in my blue chair for the rest of the day.
Okay. Okay, have a seat. So guys, it's official. The gender reveal is about to start. Alright guys, so this is the end of the gender reveal. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So on the done seat, team girl, represent for team girl all long. I'm speechless. I'm just happy. I'm happy for them. I mean, it never matter the gender, boy, girl, once the baby is healthy. Lovell is happy, Luci is happy. If somebody who's a team boy, them they happy bad when them see the girl, the pink smoke. But if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for your chat the journey with me. Road to 100K. Bye guys.